Aloha, this is Jerry from the Big Island. One thing we don't have here is very much soil or dirt, but we do have the will to live. That'll be obvious from how these trees can build their root systems on top of the ground to hold up a big massive tree. It is really pretty cool. These roots. You guys can look on some of my other videos and check out our tree houses right up on the volcano. Kilauea just went off a couple days ago, big time. 5 miles from our house. Aloha, my friends.